When I first heard about the Love of the Philippines campaign, I was excited. A campaign dedicated to showcasing the beauty of the country should have been something to be proud of. But when the controversy broke out, the revelation that from the promotional video used to stock footage from the countries, I couldn't help but feel disappointed. How could the campaign meant to promote the Philippines fail to use its own stunning landscape? For me, this controversy gets beyond just marketing mistakes. It raised questions about authenticity and accountability. Tourism campaign should highlight what make country unique, not rely on generic visual from elsewhere. The Philippines has had taking destination from Palawan, crystal clear water to heritage street of Bigan. Why were not this showcase properly? It is just almost felt like the people behind the campaign did not trust the country's natural beauty to speak for itself. At the same time, I understand the mistake happened. What matters now is how we learn from them. This should be a wake up call, not just for the tourism sector, but for all industry that we should take pride in showing it as it is. No shortcuts, no borrowed images, just the real beauty that we we make it special. The incident may be have been frustrating, but it's also an opportunity moving forward. I hope tourism promotion will focus the genuine storytelling because the Philippines deserve to be represented with honesty and the world deserve to see the true charm of the Philippines. Thank you.